Okay, I think there are some phone cases in here, so let's cut into this. Here's the best I can do it right in here. Alright, I think that's good enough. Okay, maybe we can cut it just some more. Okay, I'm running into some bubbles, so if you're wondering why I'm cutting so awkwardly, it's because it's not actually running full way through, but you can see some of the stuff here now. Here we go. 6S Plus. Although it says 6 Plus, because you know the 6S Plus and the 6 Plus both get the same cases. The S5 and the 7 Plus, 8 Plus. Yes, I got this on purpose, even though I do not have a 7 Plus or 8 Plus, because I'm really curious as to how the cases would fit on a 6 Plus or 6S Plus. So that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. First, of course, I'm going to try the regular 6 Plus case. And I'm going to see how it compares with the other one. Okay, why is this so hard to get into? Do I have to use my knife for this? Because I'd rather not. No. Okay, now there. There's me some progress. Spongy. Okay. I'm going to try this on. Okay. Fits reasonably nicely. Just like that. And now, okay, I'll just toss that aside. Let's cut into this now. And now we're going to see exactly what happens when we try to put an 8 Plus case onto the 6S Plus. Well, would you look at that? So, as we can see there, it messes with the camera. Like, look how awkwardly it's sitting on the camera module. So, wow, this is why hard cases would absolutely fail on this thing, because it just leave your camera like that. And I could imagine it scratching it and doing some other damage to it. So if you're wondering why you shouldn't ever use an 8 Plus case on a 6S Plus or a 6 Plus, this is the reason why. I mean, you already knew that, but in case you ever wanted to see it, well, you can see it now, that it results in something very awkward. Okay, let's take that off now and put this on for now. This is not my daily driver case, by the way. I still prefer my holster kickstand case. We'll take all of this stuff off. Actually, no, you know what? I'm going to throw them straight in the trash. That's what I'm going to do. There, they're in the trash now. And now let's try the S5. I wish the seller had something for the 950 XL, because I wanted something for it, but it looks like I'm going to have to either import it from Britain or Australia or someplace, which makes no sense. I'm not sure why Microsoft couldn't just sell us these clear cases directly, but alas, they do not, because they're butts. Oh, this came on really easily. You can see that. You can see its side buttons. Okay, and I believe that should be it for this video. Actually, hold on. Is this actually taller? Yeah, actually, it does look marginally taller. So that's part of the reason why it just sits on the camera module like that. Okay. So that does it for this video. Now, I do not remember the name of this seller from the top of my head, but I'll throw an edit onto the video at this part so you can see their name and the products that they offer. And now I am out.